Hello students, hope you all doing well. This side of sir again, and today we are going to do the chapter light, the very important concept of physics. So let's start. So first of all, we need to understand what is light. So in very simple term, we can say form of energy which gives us sensation of visibility, right? That means it helps us to see the things. But if somebody asks you again, then what is light? Then a part of this definition in terms of physics, we say that light is electromagnetic radiation. That means it is the propagation of energy when two fields combine, that is electric field and the magnetic field. When two fields combine, one is electric field, other is like something like that, like it's propagation like a wave, propagating like a wave. Two waves combinedly, one field is like you can say a field is magnetic field, or other is the electric field. So it's electromagnetic radiation which gives us sensible of visibility. And we have some properties of light which we need to understand. We talk about some properties of light. So properties of light. Properties of light. So we are talking at the level of 10th class. So we need to consider the fact we are not going in very much of depth, but you need to understand the fact that first is, as I told you, light is electromagnetic radiation, right? Second is light always propagate in linear or straight line path. Right, students? Third is the light does not require any medium for propagation. Medium for propagation, like mechanical waves. As these are the electromagnetic waves, so these do not require any medium for propagation. The speed of light, in vacuum or air is 3 into 10 raised to power approx meter per second. That means it is the fastest entity. And further we already studied that the light contain a spectrum contain a spectrum of 7 colors. 7 colors. Right, students? So we came to know that light is electromagnetic radiation. Light always propagates in straight line path. The light does not require any medium for propagation. The speed of light in vacuum is approximately 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and the light contains the spectrum of 7 colors. So this is something which is, we can say, the property. There are many things, but at your level there's not too much to tell. So this is now in class 10th you only going to study 2 phenomena of light. Phenomena of light, that is reflection, and second one is refraction. One is reflection, another is refraction. So what is this reflection and refraction? We'll talk about it like okay. Now reflection is bouncing back of light after striking a shiny or reflecting surface. This phenomena is called reflection. This phenomena is called reflection. That means through any surface you have any reflecting surface, the ray of light comes, strike this point and bounce back in same medium. This is any another ray is coming like downward at the 90-degree angle, bounce back. So this phenomena is called reflection of light. The reflection of light is done by shiny or reflecting surface. This surface can be plane or curved. The shiny surface can be plane. Shiny surface can be plane or curved. Right, students? So now we'll talk about something more over it. Like we talk about the reflection by plane surface, or you can say by plane mirror. Reflection by a plane mirror. Reflection by plane mirror. So if we have a mirror, this is the object at some place, the ray of light is going and coming back, and some other ray is coming this point and coming with this angle. So what we see in mirror is a virtual image. What we see in the mirror is virtual image of an object. Right, students? So this ray virtually meets at this point. So this is a point of intersection. We will get a virtual image. This is object and this is image. So like this A, B, this is A dash and B dash. So what we observed like observation in the mirror is size of image is same as that of object, Second is the distance of image is appear same as distance of the object from the mirror. Third is the left side converts into right side. That is called lateral inversion. This phenomena is called lateral inversion. This phenomena is called lateral inversion, or you can say shifting of the axis. Lateral inversion. So in plane mirror, a ray coming this way and after striking comes back, another ray we take like this, and this turns at the same angle, and here we get the image object. So what we observe, the size of object is same with the size of image. Distance between the image and distance of the object is same, and the left side converts into the right side. This is called lateral inversion. This is, so you can say mathematically we can say the AB is like equal to A dash B dash height, and the distance like this is M and N. This is like M and N. So you can say, and BN is equal to NB dash, right students? So that means the size of object is similar to the size of object. Now we talk about similarly related, we will talk about the laws of reflection. So we will do laws of reflection. So laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. The laws of reflection. If you have any shiny surface, a ray coming, moving this direction, and say this is ray coming and going back. This is the angle of incidence, angle of reflection. It's A, O, this point is B. So this is a X and X prime, any surface. So students, AO is called incident ray. A is called incident ray. OB is called reflected ray. And this point like MO is normal ray, and angle AOM is angle of incidence, angle B dash OM is angle of reflection, So students, so what we observed, the statement for the laws is like, first is incident ray, normal ray, and reflected ray all lies in same plane and medium. same plane and same medium. Second point is the angle of incidence, the angle of sine I is equal to sine R, or you can say angle I is angle R. That means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. These 2 points are known as laws of reflection. So student, next part is reflection by spherical mirrors. So before that, I just give you an introduction that reflection is something like by plane mirrors that we have already discussed, like spherical or curved mirrors. Spherical mirrors are of 2 types, that is concave mirror and other is convex mirror. So concave mirror are of like this shape, that converts the light at some point, and convex mirrors are polished from outside, so they actually diverge the light. That we will do in next classes, and this is something like the students, this is called converging mirror, and this is called diverging mirror. The students, this section will plane mirror, we have done plane mirror and laws of reflection, and spherical mirrors we will do in the next class, and we'll talk about some more things, some more points. So if you like, please share, subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video with some new concepts of the light. Please take care, study hard.